Hi everyone! Kumusta na po kayo? Welcome back to my channel. Halika kayo, samahan niyo kung magluto tayo ng sinigang na salmon. Please come and join me. And we're gonna be making sour soup. Salmon sour soup. Yan. These are tomatoes. Kamatis po yan, mga nasa 2 pounds. Tinatawag na sweet girl tomato. Yan. Cut nyo lang po siya into 4. Tapos, lagyan nyo po siya ng large onion. Depende po yan sa gusto ninyo. If you want more onions, you can add more to it. Medium to large onion. Yan. Cut nyo lang po siya. And then, I have jalapeno. And ginger. 2 jalapenos and 2 ounces of ginger. If you want more, or just add 1 ounce if you like. Yan. And then, I'm gonna add water. I'm gonna add 2 cups of water. And then, boil. Lagyan nyo lang po siya ng 2 cups na tubig. Tapos, pakuluan siya ng 8 to 10 minutes. Yan. Then, add your salt. Add 1.5 tablespoon of salt. Adjust your salt. If you want, you can have more salt. Yan. That's 1.5 tablespoon. 1 kalahating kutsarang asin. Tapos pakuluan po siya. Pagkatapos na niyang kumulo, add your salmon. I don't have the regular salmon na fresh na isda. Wala po akong fresh na isda. So, I'm gonna be using a frozen salmon patty. Yung ginagamit sa burger. Nabibili po yan sa mga tindahan. Yan. Tapos, takpan and cook for about 6 to 7 minutes. Yung malakas na apoy. Kasi frozen po yan eh. That's frozen. So, you want the medium to high heat. Yan. And then, flip it over. Ibaliktarin niyo po siya para maluto din po yung kabila. So, the other side could be cooked as well. Yan. Very simple ingredients. Yan. And then, cover and boil. That's probably about 5 minutes. It takes about 5 minutes to 6 to cook. Yan. And then, takpan niyo po siya. Tapos, lagyan nyo siya ng konting, I forgot, lagyan nyo po siya ng konting, that's a pound of kamote yan. Takpan nyo po siya, yan. Yan, maluluto po yan, yung kamote, can be cooked in 3 to 5 minutes. Yan, pakuluan nyo lang po siya. Mabilis pong maluto. And then after 3 minutes, you squeeze some lime juice o calamansi. Squeeze a little bit of lime juice or calamansi juice. Yan. You can either use tamarind. Since I don't have tamarind, I use lime juice. Yan. And then boil it for a minute or 2. Pagkatapos na siyang kumulo, it's ready to eat. Yan. Thank you for watching. You can add this sour soup with your rice or tortilla or bread. But Filipinos, they like it with rice, steamed rice. Masarap sa mga Pilipino po kasi, yan, masarap ang sinigang sa mainit na kanin. Yan, there you go. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Yan, I hope you're having a good time with me. Bye. Have a great day. Thank you, everyone. It's so colorful. Look at that. It's ready. Bye. Have a great day. Hope to see you soon.